Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today is a part 2 decorate with me for Halloween. We are going to actually do a little bit of rearranging here in the living room. I'm taking down all my fall stuff, but I'm not putting it too far because you know we're going to be bringing that back out for Thanksgiving. If you're new here, definitely smash that subscribe button so you can get all the fall and Thanksgiving and Christmas and Halloween decoration inspiration right into your YouTube. And if you're returning, it is so good to see you. Okay guys, let's get started. So before I do any decoring, I always like to wipe everything down. I'm just using Mrs. Meyer's Everyday Cleaner. I like it. I really think it is one of the best cleaners on the market. Plus, I think it smells awesome. But I'm going to be using that, clean everything down. And while I was doing this, I kind of thought, I need to change up. So I decided I'm going to move the fireplace, which I purchased on Wayfair. I'll put in the descriptions down below. I get a lot of questions on it. It's awesome, but I'm thinking I want to move it from this side of the room over to where the couch is. So I'm going to roll that couch to under the window. I'm going to move this mantle over to this wall, and then we're going to decorate it for Halloween.
I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs.
So now that I have everything kind of cleaned up and ready for the fireplace, I'm gonna get the fireplace moved over onto this wall and then wipe it down really quick before we start using our decor to kind of bring in some great Halloween vibes.
Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love.
So while I'm getting everything kind of put into place, I wanted to take a minute and introduce myself in case you're new to my channel. My name is Lauren, and I love to do all things decorating and all things cooking. I am a mom of 4, but I also work full-time, so this is a real hobby for me, and I try to post as often as I can, usually when I'm inspired by something. So you'll see I'm not really scheduled at posting, but if you hit the subscribe button and turn that notification bell on, you will be the first to know when I post. I always get lots of really great messages right when I post. I try to be on right when I post. That way we can communicate down in the comments below, because that is really my favorite part of making these videos, is being able to learn from you guys and hear what you're doing and what decor you're putting up at the time. So definitely use the comments down below so we can get to know each other a little better. And if you guys have any kind of decorate with me or cook with me requests, definitely tell me down below and I'll try to get to them this year. But thank you again for supporting my channel, and I'm just so appreciative that you're here.
Trying for so long, looking for someone to help me through. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned.
I'm going to go ahead and just add some blankets and pillows and really just keep this area pretty simple for Halloween. I'm not going to go too over the top until we get closer. I forgot to mention, but one of my kids spilled like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich all over the 2 cushions, so I'm currently washing those in this video. But definitely hit the like button right now if you are a cat lover and want to say hi to Enzo. If you have been on my channel for a while, you know Enzo is one of our kitties. There's Ferruccio, who's one of our rescues that we were going to foster and then get adopted, but we just totally fell in love with him, so we kept him. And then we have one other kitten who I'm not sure where she is, but Fortuna is around too. But definitely hit the like button if you like kitties as much as we do. And definitely say hi to little Ferruccio in the comments down below. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but he's been making a couple Binks from Hocus Pocus cameos on there, and it's just so cute. But definitely check that out if you would like to. I'll put a link down below to my Instagram where you can see a whole lot more than you do here on YouTube, and some other kind of fun cooking recipes as well. Anyway, I'm going to finish cleaning up and we're going to get decorating.
That you can't get burned. Just tell me how you lost track.
So to get started, I'm gonna actually be removing one of these pieces of art so I can put up some spookier little cute things that I've been wanting to. I don't know if you guys watch my Christmas decorate with me, but I always wanted to take this artwork down so I could do some really fun kind of Christmas paintings on the wall, and I think I might actually do that this year. I know it drives my husband crazy when I move the artwork, but whatever. Decor comes first. Okay, so we are going to put up this old mirror that I had in the other room. I don't know if you guys saw the part 1 to my Halloween decorate with me, but I took this down from the entryway. I'm gonna use this skeleton that we got last year from Michael's, and then this beautiful sign that says, "I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers." I picked that up from Hobby Lobby this year and I absolutely love it. I really love how it transitions so well between fall and Halloween. I can go back and forth. I'm gonna be doing some fun things to it in a bit to give it a little bit of a spooky vibe, but this is kind of the base of our mantle. From there, I'm gonna be adding in some more twigs. I kind of wanted the entryway and the living room to kind of have the same vibe, even though the entryway has the Hocus Pocus house, so it's like a witch's den when you walk in. This is gonna be a little bit more like the witch's living room or the witch's mantle. So I'm going to be adding these little decanters I picked up from Target and then some twigs, and then we're going to be gluing on some bats to kind of look a little bit like the entryway.
Teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again. Taking all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of
I just love how that turned out. It looks so cute, and our kids are between the ages of 5 and 10. I didn't want to do anything too over the top spooky, and this was kind of like the perfect medium. So now I'm going to add some little things to these atriums that I picked up at Hobby Lobby this year. I love these. I want to use these for every single season. I'm definitely going to be doing some fun little Christmas things in these as well, but I'm going to just add some moss in here. I'm using the moss that I went and found in the forest here where I live last year, but I ended up saving it. So I'm going to add these in here, and then maybe some skulls and maybe some bones, just kind of give it some of that kind of like Blair Witch vibes, or kind of like found skulls in the yard look.
I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is, and none of them makes sense. I'm so tired of love songs. I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs. Sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is, and none of it has helped. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you.
So now that we have have those done, I want to start to add some lights to this. I'm going to be using these pillar candles. I picked these up from Amazon. I will try to link them down below. I love them because they actually screw together. So when I'm not using them, they condense down really small. Since I have so much decor, it's always nice to have something that's really small. Then I'm going to add a couple skeletons. I love these. I had these on my front porch last year. Definitely go check out my videos from last year. They're also extremely epic. One of the best tablescapes ever. But I used these trio of skeleton skulls, last year on my porch. But I love how this turned out. I lit the fireplace and just kind of want to take you guys on a quick tour before I kind of do a couple more things I want to add to this. A lot of times when I'm doing decor, I like to stop, take a look at everything, and kind of fill in the pieces that I need to along the way. I added 2 cute little pumpkins here just to kind of create, again, a little more of a playful vibe so it doesn't spook my kids too much. And then I also wanted to add some pillows here. I noticed while I was filming this, like, we need some more pillows. So I'm gonna grab some pillows and we're gonna keep decorating. So to complete this look, I decided to grab the pillows from the other room. I kind of love how the colors all come together. This is a very neutral tone Halloween, which is not traditional to me, but I kind of like the way this turned out. I love that big pillow. I picked it up from HomeGoods. These pillowcases, the Salem Broom Co. and the Sanderson Sisters, I picked those up from Amazon. I'll link everything I can down below for you guys, but I think this turned out super cute. I love this boo sign. I got that at HomeGoods a couple years ago. I've used it before on my channel, and I just think this is very cute. If you're looking for more of like a monochromatic, you know, less spooky Halloween decor, this is definitely a good go-to. Tell me in the comments down below what you guys think. What did you think about all the little touches? I decided to add a couple more candles in here because I just think it gives it such a traditional spooky feel. But tell me in the comments down below, guys, what did you think? I cannot wait to share my next video with you. It will be a living room it will be a dining room decorate with me for Halloween that includes a spooky bar cart. And then I'm also going to be doing a Halloween party cook with me with some really fun recipes that are kid friendly and also don't contain a ton of sugar. I had a really hard time finding recipes that wasn't like all candy related, and I dug up some great ones and we're going to be sharing them here on my channel soon. If you guys are, again, new here, please definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much. Tell me in the comments down below what was your favorite part, and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.